Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then we leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you...
So, thoughts on this. So, if you're not familiar with the Stunna formula, let me just familiarize you with the Stunna formula. It is matte, but it's a soft matte. So, it definitely comes off. It definitely, like the red one, listen, although I love it, it's one of my absolutely favorite red lipsticks. Love the color. Don't mind the formula. It definitely moves, it definitely budges, it definitely smudges, it definitely does all of those things. So if you're looking for a liquid lipstick that does not ever move, this is not it. That being said, this color is not my like absolute favorite. I think it blends in with my face almost a little bit too much. So while I will wear it, I most likely see myself wearing this with a lip gloss on top just to give it a little bit of more punch and added dimension. I don't see myself wearing it as just like a nude for me. I'm not sure why, but that's, I don't know, I'm looking at it and I'm just like, it's not terrible. It's not terrible. I mean, I'm sure if I use like a liner to like add layer, like a liner, you'll have to forgive my nails, they're not cute. I'm sure if I added a liner, it would like give it a little bit extra oomph, but ladies and gentlemen, your girl doesn't have time for liners. Like, it's just an added step that I just don't even get into. Hell, I don't even line my bottom lashes anymore. I don't put bottom, like nothing. So my focus in life is making sure my hair is straight most days. My lashes are on correctly, honey, because there have been plenty of videos here where I've watched them afterwards and I have one junk hanging off to the side. So that's my main focus in life, right? And getting my skincare back on track, because as you can see, I'm breaking out. Your girl's not happy. And let me tell you why I'm breaking out. By the way, while we're here, those Sugar Bear gummy vitamins. I've been telling all of my followers on Instagram, whomever, don't get those damn vitamins because you will end up with a pizza face like your girl here. I know I'm being dramatic, but needless to say, it's got way too much biotin in it, and it definitely results in some breakouts. So that's what I'm trying to recover from. That being said, this is not my favorite lipstick. Let's move. It's of the two, it's my favorite. Let's move on to the next one so you guys can see what I'm talking about. The next one is called Uncuffed. Let's watch that one next.
I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, 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 oh. And the fanciest things couldn't make me.
Okay, so this is Uncuffed. Again, I mean, it's not to say I don't have colors like this. I have colors like this. I'm just not like jumping out of my skin like love, love, love. And I have to say, the applicator on these, I feel like makes it hard for you to get like a really clean and even application. And so that is a little bit of an issue for me too. Excuse the nails. So that is a little bit of an issue for me too. Do I like these? I like them. I absolutely felt like, oh, I have to get them. The packaging is so pretty. I'm definitely going to use them, but I feel like I have to do a little bit of thinking with using these. Like, I feel like with the brown, I'm going to probably put a gloss on top to make it like pop a little bit more, so it's not just so flat against my skin tone. And with this pink, I feel like it's pretty, but it'll only be pretty with certain eye looks. Like if I had like a completely neutral eye look, this would not look cute on me at all. It'd be a little bit shocking, right? And so I feel like that could be a little bit of an issue too. So I don't know. I don't think these two are just like the most universally flattering colors. I felt like Stunna was more flattering on more skin tones. The original Stunna, which was, what was that color called? Gosh, the red one. Uncensored? I think it was called Uncensored. I think Uncensored, although there were people who felt like it was too orange, from the pictures I saw, like there really was not a single picture I saw where I was like, no, that's Uncensored is not for you. Like when they reposted on their page, like every skin tone I saw, I was like, I love it. I want to say yesterday or the day before, Fenty's Instagram posted a picture of, I think it's the same YouTuber. She's got really dark skin, and she just came out, I think it's the same one, I'm not sure, don't, you know. But she just came out, I think, with the MAC lip color, which I haven't got my hands on yet either. But they posted her swatching this, and when I saw it on her, I didn't love it. But because she is a deeper skin, she does have a deeper skin tone than me, so I thought, well, maybe it could. But what it looked like on her, I feel like is what it looks like on me. Not the cutest. So, I don't know. Not terrible. Definitely with a lip gloss on top. And if you're one of these liner girls, definitely with the liner child, you'll be just fine. But for someone like me who ain't got time for all of that, all those shenanigans, it's okay. Same with this color. Not terrible. A pretty pink. Probably with the gloss on top with the more dramatic eye. Okay. What we're going to do right now, though, is let's go ahead and swatch, actually use the brown, mix these two. That's what we're going to do. We're going to mix these two. Let's do that. Ready? Ready.
Believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to get into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't want to be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance. Nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties.
Okay, so honestly, I feel like mixed, they come off, it's a better look, right? What do you guys think? I don't know, I think mixed is a better look. I did this live on my Instagram just a couple hours ago, and the consensus was the mixed was definitely a cuter look. Okay, so yes, I definitely feel like mixed is a better look on me. Like the two colors mixed together, honey, with more of the pink than the brown, it really gives me that soft, sort of pinky nude color that I gravitate towards, as opposed to that sort of flat brown and that maybe a little bit too harsh pink for my skin tone. But it's not terrible. And mixed, honey, we like it mixed. We sure do. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. And what I'll do is I'll work on a blog post also showing sort of what these colors look like on various skin tones, the same way I did with Stunna. So make sure you're tuned in to lisaalamo.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.